Hello and welcome to my treatment room in Hertfordshire. I'm going to be showing you a way of stretching your hamstrings that doesn't overstrain the back of the knee. And we do this one lying down. You could be lying on your bed or you could be lying on the floor. For me, I'm going to use my treatment couch to show you how to do it. So you're lying on your back with your knees bent, kind of hip distance apart, and you bring your knees up to your chest and you hook your hands round behind your knees. So you're bringing them up, but not too far, because the aim is actually to stretch and straighten your legs as far as they will comfortably go. And so you should feel a bit of a stretch in the back of your hamstrings. My hamstrings are a bit tighter than I would like, so which is why I can't get them completely straight with my knees at arm's length. So I now focus the stretch by bringing one foot up towards me. So I'm bending the ankle, bringing the toes towards me. And that will focus the stretch even more in the back of the leg. Hold that for a few seconds, let the foot relax, and then bend the other ankle. So I'm bringing the toes of the other foot towards me, getting a stretch in the hamstrings and the other leg. Now you could try simply what I call paddling, so you're just alternating your feet like that, hence my odd socks. Or what I've come to prefer is that you do one and you hold the stretch, so you're still trying to straighten your leg and feeling that stretch, and then you let the foot relax, and then you bring the other foot towards you, still trying to straighten your leg, feeling those hamstrings stretch and relax. And that way you can really listen and feel, how is your muscle responding? What does it need? So it's quite slow, quite thoughtful. It's always so important to listen to what our body is telling us. I am Christina Raven of Your Body in Harmony, and there should be a subscribe button down there in that corner of the screen. Do subscribe to see more of my videos with exercises, recipes, meditations, random thoughts. Stay well, and I'll see you soon. Bye now.